The moon has watched over Earth for billions of years, silently reflecting sunlight across oceans, mountains, forests, and cities. It does not create its own light, yet it has become one of the brightest symbols of hope, mystery, and wonder. Every night, it rises with quiet confidence, reminding us that even borrowed light can illuminate the darkest skies. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite, traveling around our planet in a graceful orbit that has shaped life in countless ways. Its gravitational pull creates the ocean tides, influencing ecosystems and the rhythm of nature. Though it appears smooth and peaceful from a distance, its surface is covered with ancient craters, towering mountains, and vast plains formed by volcanic activity billions of years ago. As the moon moves around Earth, its appearance changes through a cycle of phases. From the delicate crescent to the radiant full moon and back again, each phase reflects the changing angle between the sun, Earth, and the moon. This repeating cycle has guided calendars, inspired traditions, and fascinated civilizations throughout history. Unlike Earth, the moon has no atmosphere to protect its surface from meteoroids or to scatter sunlight across the sky. Because of this,